Here's a great deal on a 2019 Subaru Outback. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, front dual zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, lane departure warning, and remote keyless entry. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.